In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Sam's Club. If the Sam's Club app is not working properly, don't worry. There are several simple things you can do to troubleshoot the issue, and we'll go through them in a clear and practical order. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone or tablet is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause the app to load slowly, fail to sign in, or not work at all. If possible, try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data or from cellular data back to Wi-Fi just to see whether the problem is related to your network. Next, check for app updates. Open your device's official app store and look up the Sam's Club app. If an update is available, install it. Updates often include bug fixes, performance improvements, and compatibility changes that can solve common app problems quickly. After that, force close the app and reopen it. Sometimes the app just gets stuck during a temporary glitch. Closing it completely and launching it again can refresh the app and restore normal function. If that doesn't help, restart your device. Rebooting your phone or tablet can clear temporary system issues running in the background and may resolve app conflicts without requiring any advanced troubleshooting. If you're using an Android device, the next step is to clear the app cache. Open Settings, then go to Apps or Application Manager. Find and select Sam's Club. Tap Storage, and then choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may have become corrupted. If the issue continues, you can also try Clear Data. Just keep in mind that this will reset the app and you'll need to sign in again afterward. If the app is still not working, reinstall it. Uninstall the Sam's Club app from your device, then download and install the latest version again from your device's official app store. Reinstalling can fix deeper issues such as damaged app files or incomplete updates. Once it's installed, sign back in and test it again. If none of that works, check for system outages. In some cases, the issue may not be on your device at all. There could be a temporary service interruption affecting the app. If that happens, wait a few minutes and try again later. Finally, if the problem still isn't resolved, contact Sam's Club member services. When you reach out, be ready to share helpful details like your device model, operating system version, app version, and any error messages you're seeing. That information can help support identify the issue faster and guide you to a solution.